Oh, do you like the Zotac 3080, Bob? That's a great choice, boy. You picked the right one. You picked the right one, the right price to performance. Good boy. Okay. Concept Soup, unboxing computer parts with Bobby. You can see Bobby over there in the corner, baby, can't you? You can see Bobby. Right. Hey, good boy. We're going to open you up. Right, so what have we got in here? Oh, shitloads of packing material. Ah! Oh, it's snowing. All right, so first in the box, Zotac 3070 Twin Edge. Next in the box, Palette Gaming Pro 3070. And the Amp Hollow Black RTX 3080. What do you think about that, Bobby? What do you think about that? Oh, right, next box. Oh yeah. Get that packing material out of here. Wow. Oh, sorry, Bob. Oh, we got ourselves another 3080. It's the Amp Zotac edition. We got motherboards for days. We got motherboards for days. Oh. Oof! We got 4 of these. Ah, no, drop one. I got 4 B550 more Wi-Fi's. Oh. Great board, that actually. Very nice indeed. Another Palette Gaming Pro RTX 3070. And our final 3070 of this package is the Twin Edge 3070. We've got one more small box, so let's just release the frickin' packing material. Get out of here. Well, this one is a bit less exciting. Patriot 16 gig RAM, MSI B460M VDH. Oh, well, it's quite the haul so far. Let's bunch it all up. Let's see what we've got. Get it all in shot. So we have 2, 3, 4 RTX 3070s. We got 2 RTX 3080s. Oh, and that's only the first shipment. So that's I'm knackered. Let's go on to the second shipment. Let's go. So day 2. As you can tell, shed loads of effing boxes everywhere we've got to get rid of, so that's going to be fun. But for now, let's unpack another box. You joining us, Bob? All right, you're just going to sit there. All right. Doing that classic cat thing of always wanting to be in the middle, centre of attention, isn't it, Bob? Rightio, so let's see what we've got in here. This is about 2.5 grand's worth of parts. You're just going to chill there, are you, mate? Right, so let's see what we're packing. So there's going to be lots of like multiple quantity things going on here. So first up, we have this Patriot Viper RAM. So we have 16 gig kit, DDR4 3200, 2 lots of 8. We've got 4 of those in total. Let's pop those down. Oh, Bob, you're trying to get my attention, buddy. I'm not going to get them all out. Ryzen 7 3700X, got 4 of those. Oh, there's new Ryzens coming out. Well, you can't bloody get them. Even I can't get them with my business contacts. So we're going with a 3700X, but still very a very good, what do you call it, processor. So we've got a couple of these Gigabyte P750 GMs. So these are going to be going in a couple of pre-builds I'm doing. Quite good value, £78 for 750 watt gold with a decent 12 volt rail. Another one of my classic power supplies, Seasonic S12-3, 650 watt bronze, bloody marvellous. Another great power supply. We've got another Gigabyte Gold. We've got, here we go. So we have, I think 3 or 4 Western Digital Blue 1TB NVMe's SN550s, very nice for gaming indeed. Some more packaging material, of course. Let's pop that over there. We have a B460M Pro VDH Wi-Fi motherboard. That's to go in one of our sort of budget to mid-range Intel builds. We've got, I think, 3 or 4, I think 3 of these in this parcel. Be Quiet System Power 9, 700 watts. Those are going to be for we're doing 4 VR gaming rigs for an arcade in town. That's why we've got the 4 3700Xs. We've also got the 4 RTX 3070s to go in there, so that's going to be fun. We've got a case. This is one of the best budget cases. In fact, it's my go-to budget case. First Player DK-D3. Pretty nice for the price. We have a graphics card for one of our entry-level builds. It's an MSI RX 580 Armor Edition. And what else have we got? So a couple more System Power 9 700 watts. And finally, I thought I'd be down here. The last SN550 terabyte drive. So yeah, a load there. We also have another GameMax Kamikaze Pro case. And we've also, I can't remember if I mentioned it in this video yet, we also got a Corsair 4000D Airflow. So yeah, that's like a couple of the biggest orders that I've ever placed for PC parts, but bit of fun. If you like the video, subscribe, like, dislike, share, comment, do all that good stuff, because Concept Soup's here, and he's giving you tech in the morning. Goodbye.